For decades, astronomers have predicted a catastrophic collision between our galaxy, the Milky Way, and our nearest neighbor, Andromeda. But what if this collision isn't inevitable? A new study suggests there's a 50% chance the Milky Way could narrowly avoid Andromeda. But how can this be? Let's dive into the latest research. Using recent observations from the Gaia and Hubble telescopes, scientists analyzed the motion and mass of the largest galaxies in our local group. They then simulated the galaxy's evolution over the next 10 billion years. The results showed that the Milky Way and Andromeda only merged in slightly less than half of the scenarios. This means our galaxy might just avoid the collision. But what does this mean for our cosmic neighborhood? The study suggests that upcoming Gaia data will further refine measurements of galaxy motion and mass, helping us better understand our galaxy's fate. So will the Milky Way and Andromeda collide or narrowly avoid each other? Only time and further research will tell. One thing's for sure, the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Stay curious and keep looking up.